Welcome back everybody. In today's episode we're going to take you through another Nomad van. And it's a Toyota HiAce, this one, and it's on the new Toyota HiAce model, and it also is fitted out with a pop top, which is going to give it a lot more space inside and obviously room to stand up. Hey, do you want to go in? So similar layout to the other one, but this is a HiAce with a pop top.
Which actually makes it feel super roomy.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Weekender or we're just cutting it up. We used to have a HiAce and this would have been a little bit more comfortable than our version.
Right, and then you've got your fridge here and some storage there as well, and just next to Emma there on the right there's some more storage shelves which seem to be quite handy. I think also being able to stand up in a van is a really good thing. Like, you might not think you need to, but once you've travelled a bit you'll realise just how important that is. Right here you've got the HiAce cab inside, which is really nice and feels like good quality. Alright, we're going to head out now and have a look at the back of the van. What we really liked about the back of this van is the fact that they've got a little seat set up. So if you pull up to the beach, you can imagine you just pop that seat, you can sit, have a coffee and check out the view. And then they've just put a couple of little finishes here, like that wood on the back, which just gives it that quality feel, and there's a Primus stove in there, and we can vouch for this stove. It is a really good stove. That's clever, isn't it?
It's really clever little van, and it's got the
Yeah. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, please press subscribe and check out our channel for some more reviews.